Welcome to Nana's Nuggets, where good food meets great advice on disability and life. Today on Nana's Nuggets, we're making a pasta salad that's perfect for early fall. While the pasta boils, I like to gather the rest of the ingredients: fresh spinach, broccoli florets, mandarin oranges, and a handful of cashews. You want to steam the broccoli, or if you're like me and want a little extra flavor, roast in the oven and add a touch of sesame oil. While this might seem like a simple salad, it actually takes time to bring all the flavors together. Boiling, steaming, roasting, cooling, it's not instant. And that brings me to today's nugget of wisdom. Let's talk about what to expect after you apply for disability. Spoiler alert, it's not quick. You may wait weeks or even months just to hear something. And when you do, it might be more forms, an exam, or sometimes just silence for a while. But that doesn't mean nothing is happening. This dish doesn't look like much at first, but when you wait, gather all your ingredients and mix them just right, it becomes something healthy, filling, and worth the wait. Your case is the same. Stay patient, save every letter you get from Social Security, and if you're ever unsure what's going on, call us. We'll help you stir it all together.